Hello friends, I am Chef Jiza. Today I am going to make vegetable sandwich. Things I will need: 2 slices of bread, slice of tomato and cucumber, and grated carrot, butter, cheese slice, salt, and chaat masala. Let's start. Peel the cucumber and slice it. Wash the tomato and slice it. Grated the carrots. Now take a 2 slices of bread and spread the butter on it. Keep 1 slice of bread aside. Place a slice of cucumber and tomato on 1 slice of bread. Add a layer of grated carrot over it. Sprinkle chaat masala and salt for taste. Place a slice of cheese on the top of vegetable. Now cover it with another slice of bread. Your tasty sandwich is ready. Thank you.
Hi friends, good morning everyone. I am Chef Ayush. Today I am going to make delicious lassi. So let's start. So for that 2 cups fresh homemade curd in a big bowl. 5 tablespoons of sugar and salt to tasty. 1 glass cold water in a big bowl to curd. Pour lassi in the glass with garnish. And you see, a delicious lassi is ready to drink. Thank you. Hello friends, I am Chef Naisha. Today I am going to make fruit chaat. For that I need some fruits like an apple, banana, orange, grapes and pomegranate. Wash an apple and grapes. Peel the banana and cut into slices. Peel the orange and separate the segments. Cut the pomegranate and separate the seeds. Cut the apple into small pieces, grapes into half. Now take a large bowl and put all chopped fruits in it. Sprinkle chaat masala and pinch of black salt over the fruits. Cut the lemon and squeeze half lemon over the fruits. Toss and combine everything. Serve the nutritious fruit chaat. Mint leaves on the top. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Abhira Chef. Today I am going to make vegetable sandwich. Things I will need: 2 slices of bread, tomatoes and cucumber, grated carrot, butter, cheese slice and salt and chaat masala. Let's start. 2 slices of bread, spread a butter on it. Take a cucumber and tomatoes, grated carrot and chaat masala and salt and chaat masala and cheese. Now cover it another slice of bread over it. Your tasty sandwich is ready. Thank you.
Hi, good morning teachers and my dear friends. I am a chef Purvika. Today I am going to make fruit charts. I need some fruits like apple, banana, orange, grapes and pomegranate. Wash and apply grapes. Peel the banana and cut into slices. Peel the orange and separate the seedless. Cut the pomegranate into half and separate the seeds. Chop an apple into small pieces and grapes into half. Now take a large bowl and all fruits in it. Sprinkle the chaat masala, pinch of black salt. Cut the lemon and squeeze. Combine everything. Serve a fruit chaat in a bowl. Enjoy it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Chef Riyan Patil. Today I am going to make delicious lassi. So for that I need to take 2 cups fresh steel homemade curd in a big bowl of curd. Keep on turning until the curd becomes smooth. Now add 5 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt to taste. Pour 1 glass of cold water in a big bowl of curd. Keep on turning until the curd becomes smooth. Pour lassi in a glass and garnishing with fresh mint leaves. Your refreshing, cooling and delicious lassi is ready to drink. Thank you.